Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Coti USDT trading pair with my customer set updates of main bull run plan. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I have a great news for you, and this is will be the greatest, example one more time how all of this fundamental news affect the price. Take a look. The good news for the distance. For long run, I totally believe in Coti. Because 100% tokens unlock it, no seller pressure, no vesting shadow, nothing. So all tokens in circulation supply, 155 million market capitalization at this current moment, FDV absolutely equal. Basically, it's not a pump dump token, so it's real tech. And I'm not a fan of tech tokens, but looks okay. You know, like assets look okay for investment, for middle-term targets, for realistic targets. I'm not of this type of channels who talk only to the moon and all of this stuff. No, guys. Everything more than real to see, like 2 billion market capitalization, so $1. More than real to see. So I highly recommend you double check the basic information about the Coti. Fundraising rounds, guys, take a look. Now the price is 7 cents 42. Private pre-sale round was in zone 18, 8 cents. Seed round 6 cents. So basically, we've been under the seed round earlier than zone 18. So technically, guys, now this is that type of moment. What is a good time for accumulation assets? If you believe in Coti, you know, if you look some, this Coti, some project like similar to Algorand, to IOTA, with not crazy gains, but some normal, healthy coin. If, of course, this token will still exist on centralized exchanges, but I think it will exist because we get today the great news for Coti. So the Coti has been selected as a pioneer partner for the Europe Central Bank, like for digital euro. What I don't like that this news previously IOTA being selected for partnership for Europe international the payments, like IOTA was choose like blockchain for Europe Union, right, to create the digital euro. But after the years, nothing happened. Maybe same story will be with the Coti. So it's just a test. It's nothing special now, but Coti focused on digital payment, one things. So it's a real solution, and it can be used for like digital euro, CBDC. Globally, it's a great news. But we got this news yesterday, and what happened? It's fun. It's fun how all of this bullish news affect the price like 6% down. Why? If imagine on international level, some blockchain selected to be the pioneer for digital real euro, digital euro, real fiat currency for European citizen, and we got a minus 6% down. Why? This is a real mass adoption. Why we not skyrocket to the moon like this one? Why? Because there is no decentralization, nothing. Guys, we traded assets, and the big differences between the blockchain, like attach, and the asset and the token of this blockchain. I already explained it on the DYDX example. So we get like a platform DYDX, and people can use it. It's a good platform, but we don't have to care about a DYDX token. The same story with the Coti. So yes, this is a bullish news. This is mass adoption. Everything good for Coti, for the distance also good. But this is not affect the price at all. Of course, when we will trade it around here at 50 cents, everybody start talking about, you remember that news? It's just because of Coti selected like pioneer for digital euro. No, it's not. When we will trade around here, it will be just a basic price action of this order flow, and we'll close the 50% of that order flow on the weekly time frame on a monthly. So guys, everything pretty simple. And the same story like I showed you today with Ethena. Ethena got a partnership with the Ton, with Hyperliquid, but token of this Ethena Labs dump at 25%. Fun fact. All right, so this is a global chart of Coti, USD on a weekly time frame crypto. This token exists since June 19, so this is not a like a brand new token. I believe in new all-time high, and it can be there here around $1. Yes, 2 billion market capitalization is more than we'll to see, right? And it can be there 1, 2, 3 rise pattern. When? I have no idea. I have no idea. So if you've been here, you remember the hype around the Coti. Right after that, we dump it. Technically, I want to show you on Binance now chart. Highly recommend you, just an educational purpose, go and double check the main bull and plan video for the Coti. I guess I posted in 2023 or at the beginning of 2024. So this fee basically relevant. This was a top, this was a support, 27 block like accumulation zone. I mark the capitulation and the crash under this liquidity pool under 2 cents 62, but we stop it at 3 cents 64. So everything okay. And what do we get now? Technically, we are inside once again 27 block. So we sweep. Not sweep it yet. Just tiny sweep, but I guess it's not enough. So technically, yes, we can come back to sweep this low again, right, to 4 cents 85. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Now with all of this news, we can form, now everybody drew that downtrend line like this one. So technical people who trade technicals, classic technical analysis, what they can do now? They can wait this move and go higher. But it's just because of chart always move right side. The best case scenario for Coti now, there is no weekly gap, nothing. The best case scenario, it's a sweep of this, both liquidity pools, bounce to the yearly open, reject, drop in summer, consolidation, and go higher. So this is a visualization of the best case scenario for Coti. I want to show you with my customer tab what's going on now. Bullish case, if BTC dominance now go under 55% or even under 50%, it's a test of yearly open. Yearly open, it's 1181. So to buy now or not, it's only up to you. Technically, now it's a good time for accumulation. You can accumulate it here, here, here. For example, average entry can be at 5 cents. Where to fix a profit of Coti? Let me show you. All targets relevant. So it's going to be 43 cents 24. It's 0.5 level by FIB. Next step is this one, 58 cents, right? And so $1, 2 billion market capitalization, $1.01. At $1, everybody will start screaming, we're going to the moon, to the $5, to $10, to $100 because of, and a list of the reasons. Don't be trapped with that type of hype around. All right, so we are inside 27 block for accumulation, guys. Let me show you what indicators now show us on weekly time frame. Here is the accumulation. So technically it was a divergence pump. And now what do we get? We're in the middle. So this is not a distribution, not accumulation, nothing. So just in the middle, like tiny range. And you can see that the news about the Europe Central Bank, it's not affected at all the price of the assets. It's a bullish news. It's maximum bullish news. It's about a mass adoption. But it is what it is. So this is accumulation on direction indicator. Looks good. Daily, what I like, what I don't like. Here was accumulation at 8 cents. After that, accumulation at 5 cents 83, and accumulation once again at 4 cents. So build a huge divergence pump, tiny pump. Now we can trade. I repeat, we can trade in this case. So this is the best case, this is a okay, because we formed the 3 rise pattern on the daily, and the yearly open is going to be like a magnet. So just in case, but we leave the order flow. This is what I don't like. So at least 50% of this order flow, 6 cents, around 6 cents and 3 could be good. I believe in 50 cents for Coti for sure. So this is it. Let's double check with market mood. Capitulation, disbelief, so good mood on the chart. Monthly, disbelief. Can we drop lower and test 27 level 2 cents 95? Yes, of course. In May, in summer, but guess anyway, just a matter of time when we will go higher. Take a look the market mood, money power on the global chart. All this in period since this token exists, June 19 till June 23, was a distribution area. After that, capitulation, disbelief, accumulation in August 23 at 3 cents, pump to 26, drop. So now it's the same disbelief area, you know. Weekly, money outflow, now nothing. So would be good to see the drop, money inflow on money power indicator, capitulation again on the market mood and recover back. Take a look at the trade on. But I recommend you to not build a crazy expectations for $5 or so for Coti. Sell in March on 4, buyback. Technically okay. Technically okay time for accumulation. Take a look the money power on the weekly, money outflow, no money inflow. Got it. And trade on, take profit. Trade on, guys, it was a sell. I showed you here. We landed and the test almost the fundamental value. So here, what I mean, we can test the buy line. Buy line is 6 cents 49. So let's add alert to the buy line Coti. Not opens, take profit. Buy line on the weekly is gonna be the good entry. With here. With 100% profit, I guess. To the yearly open, 83% on the spot, take profit 99, exit line 124. So this is it. And the daily, I don't think so. We'll drop to the buy line on the daily 4 cents 88. I don't think so. 12 time frame, but we can. 12 time frame. I wish to see, I don't know, sweep of this liquidity, this one and this one, like 6 cents 59. Can be the good entry. Technically can be the good entry. Right. And buy line on a 12 time frame now it's 4 cents 71. Fundamental value it's 3 cents 52. I don't think so. We'll drop that low. But wish to see the test of the buy line on the weekly. Monthly, I guess there is no data yet. Yep. So guys, this liquidity pool 1930, this liquidity pool 27, and 50% of this FIB 43 or 49 cents. It's more than real to see. So guys, all targets relevant. Highly recommend you go and check just an educational purpose of the Coti main bull run plan video. If you would like to trade with my customer success, I would show in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.